Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome to Koplo Chipande lesson. So here we have a question on mole concept. We are told that we have d grams of potassium hydroxide all dissolved in distilled water to make 100 centimeters cubed of solution. Full stop. 50 centimeter cubed of the solution required 50 centimeter cubed of 2 molar nitric acid for complete neutralization. Calculate the mass and the mass D of potassium hydroxide, given that the relative formula mass of potassium hydroxide is 56. First, in our question here, we shall realize that we shall derive an equation being told that the reaction was between potassium hydroxide, which is a base, and nitric acid, which is an acid. So our equation will be potassium hydroxide in solid form, in aqueous form, because it is in a solution of 50 centimeters cubed, plus nitric acid in aqueous form to form a reaction. Remember a reaction between an acid and a base will form a salt, which is in form of aqueous, plus water in liquid form. Then we come to balance. We have one potassium on product. We have one oxygen plus 3 oxygen, which is 4, and on the other side we have 3 oxygen and plus 1 oxygen on water, which is equivalent to the reactant. Let's go to nitrogen. 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So the reaction is self-balanced. So after that, we get that the mole ratio of an acid, of a base to acid, is 1:1. So, and therefore we go on deriving and say that we take the details given. We were told that 50 centimeter cubed of the solution. Which solution is this? Let us call it solution D in our own understanding, because these d grams were dissolved in water to form 50 centimeter cubed of 100 centimeter cubed of solution, which is solution D. So let us take solution D. So solution D, we have 50 centimeter cubed, which is of potassium hydroxide. An acid have 50 centimeter cubed, that is its volume. But in addition, an acid is a known solution because we know its concentration, which is 2 molar. So with this, we are in a position to get number of moles of an acid. So number of moles of nitric acid will be given by volume times molarity, and because this molarity is equivalent to 1 liter, which is 1000 centimeters cubed. So that is what will be number of moles of an acid. So number of moles will be will be will be volume, which is 50 centimeter cubed, times concentration, which is 2 molar, all over 1000 centimeter cubed. You cancel out the units, divide by 2. So this times 2, the 5 times 2 will be 10 all over 100, which will give you 0.1 moles. Remember, we are looking for number of moles of nitric acid. So that is it. Then after getting the number of moles of nitric acid, remember here we said that the mole ratio is 1:1. So you go back and say potassium hydroxide to nitric acid. The mole ratio is 1:1. So, and we have already got number of moles of nitric acid. So on the other side, to get these, you multiply 0.1 moles times 1 over 1, which is equals to 0.1 moles of potassium hydroxide. And our question asks us to calculate the mass D. So having the number of moles, and we have the relative formula mass of D, which is 56. So we come here back and say mass of D is given by RFM, which is relative formula mass of D, times number of moles. So mass of D will be equals to 56 times number of moles, which is 0.1 moles. So mass of D is given to 56 times 0.1. This is same as to say 56 times 1 alafu uweke decimal hapo katikati. So 56, it will give you 5.6 grams. But these are in 100 centimeters cubed. You come back here, will be in 100 centimeter cubed. So if that was in 100 centimeter cubed, so to confirm whether this mass it is mass of potassium hydroxide, you will get back to this volume and make it what if it was in 1000 centimeter cubed. But guys, our answer is 5.6. According to our question, the answer is 5.6, but I want us to go further and confirm whether it is true this 5.6 was that of potassium hydroxide. So if it is true, then we equate this to 100 centimeter cubed as we were told. Then we find for 1000 centimeter cubed to get if we shall get the LFM or molar mass of potassium hydroxide. So 5.6 times 1000, so 5.6 times 1000 centimeter cubed all over 100 centimeter cubed, 100 centimeter cubed will give us the, so this will give you 5600 all over 100. So our guys, so definitely we will get 56 grams of in 1000. That means that our mass of D in 1000 centimeter cubed, in 100 centimeter cubed that we were given is 5.6, but in 1000 will be 56 grams, which is relative formula mass of potassium hydroxide. That is it. Thank you for watching.